a cone brings joy to you, and who's unhappy when they're eating an ice cream cone? The name just really fits with the products that we produce and serve. In the retail side of the business, bring joy home is our tagline. Quality and the efficiencies that we entail are our operation, and critical to that, of course, is having top flight suppliers, consistency. That's certainly something we have with Aqua. We are at the cone plant here in Hermitage, Pennsylvania, 3435 Lamore Road. We've been in this building, or this area, since 1964. I'm the third generation of the family. My grandfather, Albert George, started the business in 1918. So on a busy day in the summertime, we're making 10 million cones. Water is the first thing we add in cake cones, sugar cones, waffle cones, whatever we're doing. That goes into the mixer automatically. Literally, it starts our process. Cake cone is basically water, tapioca flour, sugar, and then a bunch of smaller ingredients that are hand added. They're a molded product. So we actually make our own cake cone ovens right here in this building. On the sugar and waffle cone and waffle bowl process, it's not molded, it's baked on an iron. So similar to like a waffle iron that you might have in your kitchen. Having fresh, clean water as really the first ingredient is critical. We're using about 11 million gallons a year. On a busy day, it's about 40,000 gallons of water that we use primarily for the baking process. Of all your ingredients, it's the one that you don't think a lot about, but it's absolutely critical, maybe perhaps the most critical ingredient we use.
It really is important that they have this synergistic relationship where everybody succeeds. There's 900 people that work in this plant. So those 900 people all live in this general area. And it's so important for me to think about the success of Joy Cone, the success of Aqua Pennsylvania, and the success of this community is really intertwined. And we help that success through the delivery of our product. It's another example of a great partnership that we have with this community, with the people in it, and it really makes you feel part of the fabric of the community of the Sharon Hermitage area. We learned a lot about how our product affects their product, and I think that's really the story we really want people to understand.
Our products, we cut them against all of our competitors, and it's got to be very consistent. Having a partnership with someone like Aqua has given us the confidence to make sure we can deliver on that quality piece to our customers.